Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Working on the Land Rover Discovery here at the shop. We've been building quite a few lately and I want to show you a quick video how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulb or the whole front turn signal light assembly. Okay, so what we need to do guys, let me show you quick. Okay, right here, these two, you need to squish them in, okay, right here, like that, and this way, and you need to pull it out. In order to remove the light bulb, you will need to remove the whole assembly. With a Phillips screwdriver, there is only one screw holding now there on top. Okay, you can see, just like that. Now you need to grab it with your fingers guys, okay, and pull it out. Okay, it has two glides on this side. Let me show you right here. Those are the ones that go in the fender. Now in order to remove the light bulbs, you turn counterclockwise, remove the bulb, okay, push down and turn left. Okay, when you're ready to install the new one, you install it that way. Make sure it goes where it's supposed to, otherwise you will not be able to get it in. Okay, you can see we cannot get the right location now, so I believe we need to turn it 180 maybe. Okay, like that. The park light bulb, I believe this one is. Okay, like that, and you just pull it out. Okay, so that's all guys, pretty simple, right? We'll show you how to push it in now. You get the bulb in place, okay, and all you have to do, make sure it goes in the holes, push all the way in, okay, install the screw, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.